O brothers, now hear the pastimes of Chaitanya in Narendra Sarovar. Previously, Lord Krishna and his coward boyfriends formed circles and enjoyed water pastimes in the Yamuna. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his devotees entered Narendra Sarovar and formed circles in the water by holding each other's hands. Because previously, in their gopi sarups, all these associates in their gopi rups and manjari rups, they would go in the water of the Yamuna with Radha and Krishna, and they would hold hands and make a circle. They began their water sports with one well-known Bengali sport named Kaya. Do you know this sport, Kaya? K-A-Y long A, Kaya. It's well known. Anyway, it was well known 500 years ago, but he wasn't born 500 years ago. As they were playing this water sport, Kaya Kaya Bali Karatali Dena Jali. Jale Vadya Bhajayena Vaishnava Sakali. The Vaishnavas called out, Kaya, Kaya! They clapped their hands in the water and produced musical sounds by hitting the water in a certain way. Dum, 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 Have you ever played in the water like that? We've done it. In the Yamuna and different places like this. Once we read about this, the devotees became absorbed in Sakya Bhav, in the Bhav of the cowherd boys of Gokul. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted the mood of Krishna. So you see, he's Rasaraj Mahabhav. In Sannyas Leela, generally Chaitanya's in Radha Bhav. He's always in the mood of Radha, searching for Krishna. Krishna, 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 hey! But whenever the pastime calls, he goes into this mood. He can become Krishna or Sadbhuj Rup or Virat Rup or anything. So here in Narendra Sarovar during his Sannyas Leela, again he's becoming Krishna with all the cowherd boys. It says Gokulendra, it says Gokulera Shishu Bhav. Shishu means child, isn't it? So all these grown men, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Ramananda Roy, right? And then Swarup Damodar, Nityananda, Advaita with his big beard. Advaita at this time is 100 years old. They all assume Shishu Bhav. Shishu Bhav means the mood of a child. Gokulera Shishu Bhav Ohaila Sabar, Prabhu Ohaila Gokulendra. Gokulendra avatar. He became Gokulendra, the Lord of Gokul. Bhaya nahi karo sabe anande vival, nirbhaya ishvara dehi sabe dene jal. Overwhelmed in ecstasy, the devotees forgot everything and fearlessly splashed water on the Lord. There was no awe and reverence. Oh, Jai Guru Dev. Jai Guru Dev. I have so much awe and reverence and Guru and Shishya. This is like Aishwarya consideration.